some numbers here. You take a 4, that is it can write as 2 into 2, that is a 2 square. Here 2 is called a prime number. Prime number. Why it is called a prime number? It has only two factors, 1 and itself. Let us take another number. Take 6. It can written as 2 into 3. Here 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Prime numbers. Prime numbers. Let us take 2020. 2020. How to write it in the product of primes? Means that is I factorize this. Factorize this. That is 2 ones are 2, 0, 2 ones are 2 and 0. Okay. Let us take again factor again go with the 2. 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 5s are 10. That is 505 2s are 1010. And it goes to with 5, 5 ones are 5, 0 and 5 ones are 5. Therefore, we can write 2020 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 101. That is, it can also written as 2 into 2 is 2 square into 5 into 101. Here 2 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number and 101 is also a prime number. Let us take all this concept. Why I am taking 4, 6 and 2020? These are called composite numbers. Composite numbers. What does the composite numbers mean? A number having more than two factors. A number having two factors are called prime numbers, and a number having more than two factors are called composite number. And let us take our chapter real numbers. Real numbers. Our second topic is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic. The theorem states every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of primes. Every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which prime factors occur. Let us take, I am taking an example here. Suppose I am taking 10. Then it can be written as 2 into 5. Here 2 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. Therefore, and 10 is a composite number. Every composite number, it can be expressed as a product of primes. Here product. And what the says here, what the theorem says, and this factorization is unique. Unique why? Because it can be written apart from the order. It can be written as 5 into 2 or 2 into 5. Okay. So we are mentioning this factorization is unique apart from the order. Order it can be written as 2 into 5 or 5 into 2. Let us take, I am taking another example, that is a 12 take. It can be written as 2 into 6. Again it can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. 6 is 2 into 3. Therefore it is 2 into 2 is 2 square into 3. Therefore 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. This is a 2 is a prime number and 3 is also a prime number. 2 and 3 are prime number. Therefore, we can say that 12 is a composite number. It can be written as a product of primes. This is the statement of our theorem. What is the concept? Why we are learning this concept means we are going to find the HCF and LCM. Finding HCF and LCM. How to find? Let us take one example. Find the HCF and LCM of 12 and 18 using prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. prime factorization. We already know how to write the numbers in product of prime. That is the theorem of arithmetic, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. That is, we can write here 12 is equal to we are write 2 into that is 3, that can written as 2 square into 3, and given number is 18. Write 18 as a product of primes here. 18 is equal to, that is 2 into 9, and 9 can be written as 3 into 3, that is 2 into 3 into 3, that is 2 into 3 square. Here HCF means HCF of two numbers, that is 12 comma 18. And the definition of HCF is the product of smallest power, of each common prime factors, in the number, okay, see here, HCF of two numbers is product of, I am taking a product, which product? Smallest power of each common prime factors I am taking. Here you take, that is HCF of 12 comma 18 is equal to, I am taking a product of smallest power. Here prime factors are 2 and 3 only. In this 12 is 2 square into 3, and 18 is 2 into 3 square. Here common prime factors are 2 and 3, and I am taking 2 and 3 are the common prime factors. I am taking the smallest one. Smallest is here 2 is there and 2 square is there. Smallest one is 2 I am taking, and another common prime factor is 3 and 3 square. In this 3, smallest one is 3, that is 2 into 3, this is 6. Therefore HCF of 12 comma 18 is 6. And what is the LCM? Let us take a LCM. LCM of 12 comma 18 is equal to, I am writing LCM here. LCM is the same right here, product of greatest power you have to take, greatest power. In writing the LCM, we are considering smallest power. Here in writing the LCM, you take a product of greatest power of, you don't take common here, greatest power of each prime factors, each prime factor in the number, okay. You have to compare this LCM definition and HCF definition. Product of smallest power of each common prime factors of the numbers, and here LCM is the product of greatest power of each prime factor in the number. You take, that is LCM of 12 comma 18 is equal to, what is the prime factorization of 12? That is 2 square into 3, that is 12 is equal to 2 square into 3, and 18 is equal to 2 into 3 square. This is the prime factorization. And what is the definition? Product of that is LCM of 12 comma 18 is equal to product of the greatest power. Here greatest power of each prime factors. Greatest power of each prime factor. Here 2 and 2 square is there. Greatest one is 2 square is there. And prime factors 3 and 3 square is there. Greatest one is 3 square. That is 2 square is 4. 4 into and 3 square is 9. 4 into 9 is 36. Therefore LCM of 12 comma 18 is 36. Therefore HCF of 12 comma 18 is 6, and LCM of 12 comma 18. Students, listen once again here. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic says every composite number, it can be written as expressed as product of primes, and this factorization is unique. It may be order, reverse order is also there. It can order 2 square into 3 or 3 into 2 square, but this factorization is unique. And we are taking one example here, how to find a HCF and LCM of given numbers using this fundamental theorem. That is a fundamental theorem. Okay, I am taking two numbers 12 and 18. I am writing 12 as a 2 square into 3. That is the product of prime. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 square. It is also a product of prime. And HCF means you have to consider product. You have to consider which product you have to consider? Smallest power of each common prime factors in the given number you have to take. Smallest power of each common. What is it? Very important here. But here smallest common. In LCM is product of greatest power of each prime factor. Greatest product of the greatest power of each prime factor. That is 12 is equal to 2 square into 3. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 square. Therefore LCM of 12 comma 18 is greatest power you have to consider 2 square into 3 square, that is 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, therefore 4 into 9 is 36. Hence we can write here LCM of 12 comma 18 is 36, and similarly HCF is 6.